राजेश जी, ये 4 सेक्टर्स आपने आइडेंटिफाई किए जहां पर आप नया पैसा शायद लगा रहे हैं। कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स है क्या जहां पर आपने अपनी वेटेज कम की हो या फिर पोजीशंस कंप्लीटली एग्जिट की हो?
Oh yes, many sectors. So for example, from last almost, I would say 1 to 2 years, we have a very low exposure to pharmaceutical sector. So this space, we are right now not much bullish on pharmaceutical as a sector. Commodities, of course, we don't buy in a portfolio as a investment philosophy. We don't buy any commodities. So that is the second sector. Third sector on which we are a little bit, I would say, little bit cautious is the within consumer a particular themes. So there are consumer is of course a very big sector, but within consumer there are multiple subsectors. So we need to be very, very selective within consumer what you want to buy and what you want to avoid. So that is another thing, in which further micro what I would say micro analysis is required, that you don't get exposed to the wrong segments of the sector. So these are the few sectors on which we have been cautious or underweight, more positive and bullish on cyclicals, and less bullish on consumer or defensives or sectors like healthcare and companies like that.
राजेश जी, तो हमारे आवाज के दर्शकों के लिए थोड़ा बेटर रहेगा अगर आप एक दो स्टॉक्स बता दें पोर्टफोलियो में जो आपने एडिशन किए हो। जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ विद प्रॉपर डिस्क्लोजर, जो सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक तो आपने बात कर दी, लेकिन एक आध स्टॉक्स बता देंगे तो वो काफी अच्छा रहेगा।
See, basically, please put disclosure क्योंकि stocks की बात कर रहे हैं तो we hold for our clients or in individual personal capacity. So kindly put a disclaimer. But so in capital goods space, one company which we added, in last few months, and we remain positive even at current levels, is for example, Kirloskar Pneumatic. Now, this is the company which is a very, very leading player in the space of compressors, and company is going to get growth from both domestic side as well as export side. Strong management, very good corporate governance, market leadership, very, very efficient balance sheet and capital allocation, and the renewed focus by the management. These are the 4 reasons why we are positive on this name. ये पूरी जो स्पेस है अनुज जी, जहां पे किर्लोस्कर न्यूमेटिक ऑपरेट करते हैं, वहां पे मल्टीपल ग्रोथ ड्राइवर है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जितने हमारे गैस स्टेशन ज्यादा लगेंगे, उतने कंप्रेसर्स रिलेटेड का जो आपका जो प्रोडक्ट्स है उसका डिमांड ग्रोथ ज्यादा रहेगा। सिमिलरली एक्सपोर्ट्स में अभी यूरोप में एनर्जी प्राइसेस आर एट लाइफ टाइम हाई, मेनी ऑफ द सेक्टर्स आर बिकमिंग अनकॉम्पिटिटिव इन यूरोप। सो एक्सपोर्ट्स की एक बहुत बड़ी नई अपॉर्चुनिटी ओपन अप हो गई है। So I think you have 2 levers, strong domestic market and at the same time better export market. On top of this, companies also has been very, very innovative, and companies adding the new products in its portfolio where traditionally company was not very strongly present. So that will also give the additional growth lever to the company. So we are reasonably positive on this name, and I think we expect company to deliver strong earnings growth over next 2 to 3 years. And so that's basically one company which we have been added in last few months or so. And likewise, of course, within the space we keep adding names, particularly in capital goods space.